Hey Atlanta, here we go. Good morning. It is Monday morning. I want you to rise and shine and give him the glory. Here we go. We are heading up the downtown connector north. I just ramped in from 20 West, heading up past Edgewood. Gonna get up there toward the John Lewis Freedom Parkway. Heading around the Grady curve for you here in a second. So we're looking on dry pavement for you today. You know, we sprung forward with our clock, so we lost that hour of sleep. Most people usually feel it today. today they feel it. So that is something to think about. Not too many folks just jump and spring right out without that extra hour of sleep. And I was up really late last night too, so I'm extra tired of my doggone self. Was at the installation service for Reverend Dr. Jamal Harrison Bryant, now officially pastor of New Birth Missionary Baptist Church, officially installed after 90 days last night. It's an awesome service. His father, Bishop John Bryant, preached the installation. So thankful for that. It's a wonderful time for New Birth. It's a wonderful time for the Atlanta metro area. He's made some major impacts over these last 90 days. So let's look forward to what God has next for him, all right? Okay, so here we go. We are on and at it here, heading past Georgia Tech. Gonna ramp into Midtown off 1014. I'm gonna head on through Midtown to Colony Square. Got your traffic updates for you from 5 to 10 a.m. on B103, from 6 to 10 on WAOK 1380 a.m. and also from 6 to 10 on Sports Radio 92.9 The Game. So great day, great week ahead, and lots to be excited about. All right, so you guys have a safe ride in. I got the traffic updates. If you see something, tweet me your traffic tips at ATL Traffic Lady. I'll shout you out on the radio, all right? All right, it's Stephanie Stallworth, ATL Traffic Lady. I'm ramping off. I'll talk to you guys on the radio. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.